Okay, so today we're going on another solo wild camping adventure here in the Lake District. The weather is looking good right now, but the forecast is not. We're expecting some heavy rain, some very brutal winds. It's going to be a hectic one. We'll get probably a lot boggier than I want it to be up there, but hey ho, gotta get going. So today I am heading up onto Haystacks, I believe it's called. I'm not really sure. I have camped here before, but I wasn't alone, so I have got a spot in mind though. So I'm just gonna head there. The walk up is pretty short, so I should be all right. It's looking lovely. Right, so today I'm heading up a different route than I went last time because the path that I went up last time was boggy and we were in a dry spell. So it's just been raining for like the past 5 days straight, quite heavy, so I'm not going up that way. I've chosen to come up this route. I'm not exactly sure if it is a route, but I'm taking it. Just gotta head up this way and fingers crossed I'll make it to where I want to go. That bit was really steep up there. I got really out of breath, but now it's a bit more gradual, which I'm happy about. Hopefully I don't take that long to get up. Shouldn't be too far away. So yeah, the views are looking good though so far. Very happy about it. So I bought myself a Garmin watch. Wait, there we go. Last week. And I was really excited to use it. This would be my first time using it on an actual like hike, like a wild camp hike. I've used it once. I forgot that. I literally used it going up Catbells. But it was only a half an hour walk up, so I don't really class it as anything major. But I was excited to use it today. I managed to not charge it, so it's completely dead. So it's useless. The charge lasts for about 21, 22 days as well. But obviously I forgot to charge it. So it's dead. I should have probably bought one of the solar ones, but I bought this one on Facebook Marketplace and it cost £50, which is an absolute steal for a Garmin watch. It's the Instinct 2S. It's the smaller version, which is very good. Oh my gosh, my arm's sore from holding my phone. Ooh, the wind's picking up now. Okay, I've hit a fork in the road. It's either that way or that way. And I don't know where to go. But I don't want to look at my map because I feel like there's no fun in that. I'm gonna go straight. I don't know if that's right. It doesn't seem right. I'm gonna go with it. But yeah, I feel like there's no wrong way. I know where I'm going generally. I'll figure it out. Do you know about 2 seconds ago when I said there's no wrong way on a mountain? There is on this mountain. That is not what I wanted to see. So I found some type of quarry where I can't go. So I have to turn back. So the wrong way was the way I went. Let's go back down and go across instead. Ugh, that's so annoying. This way it is. Ooh, sunshine. Right, so I'm on the right path now. Just gotta keep walking this way. And then I'll get to another bit where I'll probably have to figure out where I'm going. Okay, let's keep going. This wind is gonna be horrible tonight. Okay, so if you can hear this, you know that wind is crazy. But I am confused as to where I am right now. I'm also worried that my contact lenses are gonna blow out my eyeballs and then I'm not gonna be able to see. I don't know where I am. There's just like big rocks. every so often, it's like big stood up rocks. I love how last time I was wild camping, I couldn't even put my tent up by myself because it was too windy. And now I've gone out by myself. I'm going to try and put the tent up by myself again in even worse winds. This is not going to work. Those planes were so loud. There was like 3 of them. I don't know what they're called. I'm guessing they're like fighter jets or something. They look really cool. If you know what they're called actually, put it in the comments. It'd be really cool to have a look at what they are. Okay, I've reached the land of unavoidable bog. Don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, if you can, you know it's quite boggy here. It's really boggy, but I did skip the majority of it by going up that path, so thankfully that path has brought me the way I wanted it to. And we're probably about 20 minutes from the top. I think it's about 4:30, maybe 5. But yeah, not far away now. Ugh. Well, I'm not going to go much further. I really thought I'd be able to avoid the bog, but I'm going to put my mic there actually so you can hear it. This is what I'm dealing with. Ugh, it's just pure bog. I'm stuck. Now I'm actually stuck. I've got like mid boots on, so they go just to my ankle. So if I was in trainers, I'd be screwed right now. But I'm still screwed with mid boots on because I feel like I need wellies for this. I actually do. Oh no, my boot's fully gone in. No. Oh, right. There's no way through this. I'm just gonna have to jump. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna go for it. Oh, there we go. I've made it to another section of bog. There's just no way through them because they're like across the whole thing. Also, there's cotton growing, which was so cool. I only recently found out that cotton like actually grows in the UK. I didn't know it was a thing. There's cotton everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get, oh, this is so boggy. Actually, maybe cotton grows in bog. Maybe that's why it's purely like cottony. Wait, there we go. That's cotton. I'm not gonna pick it because that would be mean, because then it can't grow. So I'm gonna leave it to do its thing. But that is cotton. And I don't know how it turns from that to a t-shirt, but it is really cool to see it growing in the wild. And that wind is crazy again. This is a really cool bunch. There we go. That's awesome, isn't it? How it grows. It's crazy to me. There's just loads of it everywhere. It looks like little flowers, but then you go up, I'm gonna put that there. You go up, you touch it, it's like fluffy. How many times can I say bog in a video? If I'm right, the spot is just over this ridge. If I'm not, that's annoying. Okay, so I've made it to the spot that I was thinking of camping at tonight, and the wind, oh gosh, it's knocking me over. The wind is not going the way I want it to go. It's actually circling through, and my camera's wobbling all over the place. It's circling through and whipping into the spot. It's really strong as well. So I will not be camping here tonight. I'm not making the same mistake as I did last time and trying to put the tent up in a place that I really should not. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's change spot and I'll be back. Okay. Ooh, that's a windy one. Okay. I've made it to my spot. I'm gonna go here. It's lovely and flat. There's no bog. I've done some research about putting my tent up. So now I know how to put it up with like this wind. Yeah, this wind is crazy. I think I'm gonna leave it for a bit. So I've managed to get some signal and I've just checked mountainforecast.com, and unfortunately the forecast has gotten a lot worse. It's gone from alright to red, and I'm getting cold now. I've got my shell on. The wind is around 50-mile-an-hour winds right now, but it is due to get to about 65, 70 overnight with the rain as well, and my tent can't handle that. I came up here with the idea of camping, and my camera's being thrown around. My tent can handle quite heavy winds, but it can't handle 65, 70, and I'm not risking it. I'm not going to become another statistic on the mountains, and I just want everyone to be safe out there, so I'm not going to promote doing this. Just be safe out there. There's no point in having another mountain rescue situation. They've already got a lot of weight and stress on them. We need to educate people and make everyone aware that it's okay to leave. If you're not going to be safe, if the weather isn't on your side, just leave. Like, don't put yourself in a risky situation. Just stay safe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully we have a better video next time, a more successful video, but even though I am disappointed, I know I'm going to be safe. I'm going to have a warm night's sleep in my tent box. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.